Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed how to make pap from scratch, but today I'm going to show you how you can actually prepare pap to be used as breakfast or any meal of the day. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So the chief ingredient is pap, which was processed from corn. Here I have my mixing bowl and a spoon. I also have some liquid milk. You can make use of powdered milk. Here I have some water. This will be used to dissolve the pap. Here I have some powdered sugar. You can also make use of honey. It is just going to serve as sweetener. So the first thing to do is to boil some water. Next is to dissolve your akamu in little quantity of water or liquid milk. Back home we use water to dissolve pap, but I do mine with whole milk, so feel free to join my gang. Feel free to join my whole milk gang in dissolving pap. Okay, if you want to do it, it doesn't affect the end result, it doesn't affect the consistency. Add little quantity of water or milk. Dissolve it until it is completely dissolved. Make sure there are no lumps left in it. You also have to add the correct quantity of water to get the right consistency. If you add too much water, your akamu is going to become too watery. If you don't add water enough, it is also going to become too thick and will have lots of lumps inside it. So you need to target it and get the right consistency. So this is how it should be. You should aim to get this consistency. So once you are done mixing everything together, set it aside. If the water starts boiling, it's time to make the akamu. So what you need to do is to let the water cool off just for about 5 seconds. After that, just start pouring the hot water inside the pap. Continue stirring as you add the water. Once you see that the akamu has become thick, stop stirring and just add a little bit water. Then stir the pap vigorously until there are no lumps and until everything becomes very smooth. So there are lots of difficulties that people encounter when it comes to making pap. Sometimes it gets too watery or it gets too thick and has lumps in it. So for you to avoid that, you need to make sure that 3 things are in place. 1, you have to make sure you dissolve the pap with the right quantity of water to get the right consistency. 2, make sure you use boiling water to prepare pap. Okay, in as much as I said use boiling water, you don't want the water to boil for a very long time before you make use of it. Or what you can do is, once you take it out from the stove top, give it about 5 seconds to cool off before you make use of it. That way you will get your perfect akamu. So this is the end result. You can add more water to get the right consistency you want. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add some sugar. You can also make use of honey to sweeten your akamu. Use whatever you like. You can also decide not to add anything at all. I also like to add soya bean powder to my akamu. Like, that's my favorite to add to pap. That's soy powder. That's what I like to enjoy my pap with, but right now I don't have it, so I'm going to make use of sugar and whole milk. Also, the authentic milk to use with your pap is liquid pig milk. Oh my god, liquid pig milk takes akamu out of this world. It takes it to another level. But right now I have just my whole milk, so I'm going to use that and I'm still going to enjoy this pap. So the final thing is to show you the things you can pair with this pap. On this day I paired this pap with bambara nuts. You can also pair it with akara, that is bean ball. You can also pair it with porridge beans or fried plantains. or even moi moi. There are lots of things you can pair with this Akamu. So let me know in the comment section what is your favorite to pair with this Akamu. Also let me know what consistency you like yours to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.